Let us start second lesson, units and measurements. The weightage of this lesson is 2 marks. That means one very short question will come from this lesson. Let us define what is unit. Standard measure of a quantity is called unit. Units of time, second. Units of length, meter. Units of mass, kilogram. Classification of units. Units are classified into 3 types. Number 1, fundamental units. Number 2, derived units. Number 3, supplementary units. Fundamental units. The units of the fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Example, meter, kilogram, second, etc. There are 7 fundamental quantities, namely length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Hence, 7 types of fundamental units exist. Those are meter for length, kilogram for mass, second for time, ampere for electric current, Kelvin for temperature, mole for amount of substance, candela for luminous intensity. Let us know about derived units. The units of derived quantities are called derived units. Example, meter, second inverse, Newton, meter, second inverse square, etc. There are several derived quantities and hence several derived units exist. Supplementary units. 2 purely geometrical units are called supplementary units. Radian and steradian are the 2 supplementary units. Radian used to measure plane angle and steradian is used to measure solid angle. So this is solid angle, steradian omega, and this is plane angle, radian theta. International system of units. The system of units which is at present internationally accepted for measurement is the International System of Units. 3 systems: CGS, FPS, it is also known as British system, and MKS or SI were in used extensively till recently. FPS system. Length is measured as foot, mass is measured as pound, time is measured as second. In CGS system, length unit centimeter, mass unit gram, time unit second. In MKS or SI, length unit meter, mass unit kilogram, time unit second. As we discussed in previous session, there are 7 fundamental quantities are there. Let us discuss the fundamental quantities or base quantities and also their units. Length measured in meters, symbol m. Mass unit kilogram, symbol kg. Time unit second, symbol s. Electric current unit ampere, symbol A. Temperature unit Kelvin, symbol K. Amount of substance unit mole, symbol MOL. Luminous intensity, unit candela, symbol CD.